Hello guys, welcome to today's video and welcome to the channel if you are new to this channel. Right, basically what I'm going to talk about is how to create lead form. Now lead form works in some ways. Because some of our clients always ask us that, oh, I don't have a website, right? But I want to collect people's information. I don't want to drive their traffic to my WhatsApp because I don't like people having my contacts. I like my privacy. You know those kind of people now. So basically what you could do is to run a lead generation ad on Facebook. Then you collect it using lead form, right? So I'm going to show you how to do that from start to bottom, right? So let's go over to my screen. So now we are in my screen. So all you have to do is to go to create ads. So for this, you'll be picking a lead ad. Like the goal of your ad is to generate leads, right? So let's go ahead and continue. So let's go with a manual because I'm going to show you. So basically, you know what to do here, right? So let's go here. This is the part we want to do. This is the part we want to do. Shall we do first? So for this, you'll be picking instant forms, and on your performance goal is basically to maximize the number of leads, right? Basically to maximize the number of leads you have now. The other goal will be maximize the number of conversion leads, right? We try to show your ads to people who are most likely to convert after sharing their contact information with you. Then so we'll try to show your ads to people who are most likely to share their contact information with you. Now the reason why Facebook is giving you these two, right, these two options is because one, for the first option, they are likely to show your ads to people who would they'll likely share, do you get, or they'll likely share their contacts with you. For the second one, they're showing your ads to people who would most likely converse with you and be keenly interested in what you are selling or what you are offering. Do you get? And this is based on the data they have gathered, that's on those certain kind of people, that's those people based on how they interacted with posts and make purchases. So they've gathered those data, so they'll be showing it to those people. So if I were you, I'll pick this. However, you could pick the initial one, which will give you this initial one will give you more leads. So you are someone that would like to get as many leads as possible, then try to close all your leads. You can go with the first one and maximize the number of leads. Then you go ahead and set all this, set your budget, set your what's called your targeting and all. Right now, using advantage plus placements could be actually helpful. We covered that in a different video, so you can go to our channel and check on the video which we talked about how advantage plus placement will help you. Right. So basically, let's go to the leads or to the ads. I say. So this is where we are. This is where we want to actually edit. So you click on create forms. Then you label it form. Let's assume I'm doing this for a real estate company, right? I do something like global realtors, right? So for this, it's either more volume or higher intent or rich creative. Now, more volume is use a form that quicks to fill out and submit on mobile devices. That means they will easily fill it out and submit. This one is higher intent. That means they'll add a review step that gives people a chance to confirm their info. Right? What this does basically is after they've submitted or after they've written them, there'll be a pop-up that say they should confirm or review what they feel. Right? Now, this rich creative, it holds your audience attention with this form that integrates your company image messaging, including an optional about us or product details and review sections. Now, if I were here, I'll pick this basically. I prefer to use more volume because I want them to actually get done with this very, very, very fast. Right? That's basically why we're using the form. So now let's go to the intro. In the intro section, right, you could use the image on your ad. Right? That way it keeps the uniformity intact. And by keeping the uniformity intact, what it means is that basically when they come to the form, they will actually be basically seeing the image on your ad, which keeps it all uniform. Or you can upload a new image, then you put a greeting. Right? The greeting should be in line with the ad or the headline of your form, right? So it's to remind them again of what they have actually clicked on, right? So best and most luxurious houses Lagos. I don't know. Right, so basically let me just put this. And so let me put it. Then you put in a description. Right, basically what so the description gonna appear here. And for the real estate agency is trusted by thousands of Nigerians to bring you the best in quality and comfort. Right? So you see that it's appearing here. Sorry for this. So you enter a message that tells them how that tells them what the information you're collecting, how it will be used or what it will be used for. So you could say something like, so basically you just fill out something like, we'll use the information given to reach out to you. Then the information is basically their emails and full name. I would advise you add a third category, which is the phone number. Right. But you can add as much categories as you want. However, I feel some categories are not really useful. For example, some people might not feel very obliged with giving you their address, their physical address, right? And some other demographic questions they might not necessarily. And this information are things you could actually get from them when you get on call with them. So basically, just fill this out, right? Fill this out. So if you are done with this, so you go to the next, which is privacy policy. Now, for privacy policy, now it says because you are collecting customer information, you need to include a link to your company's policy. A link will appear on Facebook default privacy disclaimer. Now, if you don't have this is important actually. Facebook wants you to do this. So if you don't have this, here's what to do. You go on to Chat GPT. So now when on Chat GPT, you can just simply say, write me a privacy policy article for my Facebook ad. No, or you say for my or for a real estate company operating in Nigeria. So basically, ChatGPT would give you some, right? So you copy this and you can edit it to suit your taste. So I'm just going to put this in a Google Docs. So basically edit them with Google Docs, then fill in the required information. So I haven't finished with this. Let's go back to file, then share. Let's share with others. So instead of restricting it, I'll make it available to anyone with the link, then copy the link, then go back to my ads, and I drop the link here. So what will be the link test? I'll say global realtor Right, so basically that works for that. And for custom disclaimer, I'm gonna leave it. I don't need that. So now, what will be your call to action, right? Will be to visit website. Now, since you don't have a website, right? You could basically do call business where you leave them with a phone number to call, or where they just give you a phone number, or you could basically view files if you be giving them a testimonial. Are you getting me? We give them a testimonial for them to view. You could give them upload a PDF which they can view, basically. Right? But one other thing you could do is you could take them to view websites. So now this is I skipped this part. This is the messaging for this. That's after they filled the form, right? So you could just put in we would get in touch with you in the next 12 hours. And something like, please expect our call. So you can say you could put view website here. Then one thing you could go and do is quickly go build a website on site.google. And basically what you'll be using this website for will be basically for, let's say, testimonials, post testimonials and all. And so you just build a website. Right? So I've never built a website with this particular Windows. So you could build a website for testimonials. Right? Let me just click one of the templates so you view. See, it's very easy to use website builder. It's very short. It's not like a standard website, but it's like something you could do you can like an sorry, like an improvisation. Like I mean, so basically you could just fix everything you want here, fix it in, fix it in, fix it in, put pictures, put images, put description, right? You publish it, then you go ahead and copy it. Right, so you fill that here. So you fill that here, then you send, you type out the required call to action. So there are basically many things you could do here, right? So that's how easy it is to build a form. Now the reason why building a form is important is because Facebook or Meta as a whole favors you doing your activities in their platforms. As you're running an ad, right? They will favor you having to read the ad and not move traffic from their ads platform somewhere else. So that means that you're likely to have a lower CPM, which is the cost per 1,000 impressions. So you're likely to have a lower one, which in the end will actually help you in business, like to increase the cost per lead for you. Right? So basically that's what I have for you for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.